Hi everyone, I am Akram and I want to share with you the project that my friends and I working on. The idea for the project come from the recurring issue of ads appearing on websites, which can be annoying for many users. Our project is browser extension that replace ads with motivation message. Let me show you how to work this. And here link is contain ads. I try now. Another link also contain ads. Also, I try it. Good. This link contain ads. Right now, I will deploy the extension. Load and group desktop as friend here. Yes, yes. This is my extension, and I tried here extension. Sorry, here links websites. Yeah, it's working. Also here. Yeah, it's working. Each message stays visible for 50 seconds before disappearing. Or manual, close it. Let me try it. Yeah. Finally, this extension aims to provide a more positive and distraction-free browsing experience while keeping you motivated. And I wish you happy day and goodbye.